Reports. I know the word alone might make you want to close this tab, but stick with me because these reports are the reason you're doing bookkeeping in the first place. They answer the question every business owner is really asking. Am I making money? Big Easy Books Plus organizes your reports into 3 groups, and each one has a plain English description, so you always know what you're looking at. There's operating reports that give you the day-to-day insights, like revenue and expenses, what you earned and what you spent. Pick a time period and any month, quarter, year, or custom range, and you'll see totals broken down by category. One click generates a PDF you can share or keep for your records. Budget versus actual. Did you spend more money or less than you planned? Set a budget, and this report shows you exactly where you're on track and where you need to adjust. The cash flow projection, a 90-day forecast based on your real numbers and upcoming items. It's like a crystal ball for your cash, except it's based on math, not magic. And the job cost by tag. This one's a game changer if you run multiple projects or jobs. Tag your transactions, and this report shows you revenue, expenses, and income per tag. So you can see exactly which jobs are profitable and which ones are costing you. Then there's the uncategorized, a focused view of everything that still needs to be sorted. You can categorize or even split transactions right from the screen, like splitting a $500 purchase across 3 different expense categories. And then there are the accountant-related reports, like the profit and loss, which is like an income statement. It has revenue and minus your cost of goods and operating expenses. There's the balance sheet and the trial balance and the general ledger. Every transaction across every account is all in one searchable view. And the administrative report closed. And the audit trail, which gives you a snapshot of your frozen P&L reports and balance sheet PDFs, so your records stay locked once a month is closed. And voided items. It's an admin-only archive of anything that was voided for fraud protection and accountability. Every report can be filtered by date range, and most can be exported as a professional PDF with one click. Your PDF history is saved right inside the app, so you always can go back and find a report you generated 3 months ago. Oh, and you'll notice the little green fraud protection active badge at the top of your reports. That's because Big Easy Books never permanently deletes financial data. Voided items are archived, not destroyed. Your books stay clean and honest.